These emotions never consume me. They actually fuel me. Got me stepping on my issues like they're puny. I hold my head so high, others probably think that I'm bougie. But really, I feel like I'm the coolest to do this. Sharper than a diamond. My brain is a jewel. They had me boxed in, but I still found the loophole. Just an out of towner, seeing strangers' faces looking sour. I don't let it be a downer. Mainly because I'm devoted, not devoured. Standing tall like a tower, never throwing in the towel. On fire like a struck lighter. Why is my success a surpriser? Maybe because, through all of the setups, I'm still a survivor. Keeping God first was a good reminder. But then again, I always did listen to those with a bit more wisdom. And ignorance get dismissed. I just look at life and say, it is what it is. I'm not new to this. But going against the grain can make one feel ludicrous. However, I planted a few seeds. Now, I'm never fruitless. Let someone with uncommon sense give their 2 cents. To those folks looking down on me, guess what? You're still looking down. And things for me are looking up. Looky, looky, watch benevolent elephants stomp. And I'm having fun. Got this poetry going off like an alarm. My faith of a mustard seed is actually extra large, and I'm uncomparable to others and any charts. I am playing chess. There's no need to check. Now, looking at the mirror in myself, I can finally see something that I respect because I put it all on the line like I have nothing left with every step. Still pouncing on my purpose like a leopard. I definitely stepped it up a level, like I got control of the lever, continuously getting better. Remember, it's Mellifluous. Chimera.